Welcome to AimBetter Academy. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain the Observer tab. The Observer tab is the fourth tab in the main menu. The focus of this tab is on events that occur in the server's environment. Let's select a specific company on the left sidebar to observe. The first subtab of the Observer gives an overview of the server's events. The information from the other subtabs is summarized here, with graphic views over a certain period. To change the period, go to the calendar and select the desired period in endpoint time. You can also compare two periods, activating the Compare button and choosing the dates for comparison. On the left side, you can find the total number of each event category and expand them to see summaries of each activity type. For example, here are the exceptions that occurred in the SQL layer, the operational system layer exceptions, the number of deadlocks and of backups by type, and different types of events that happened like installations, updates, and more. On the Event Log subtab, you can find all the exception types detailed. You can filter to see exceptions in the SQL layer or operational system layer only, or filter by specific exception categories. Each line shows how many occurrences of this type of exception happened over the selected period. Clicking on this line, you can see each occurrence time, source, description, user, application, and more. Through these logs, performance issues and security threats can be identified in just a few clicks. In the DB Backup subtab, you'll find information about the backups including the type, path, recovery mode, and more. The Deadlock subtab shows all the deadlocks by server. Clicking on a specific server, you'll find the details of each deadlock event, including the victim query and the locking query. Finally, in change tracking, you get information about several events that occurred in the selected period. For example, software installations with details about the software name and date of installation. Changes in servers like status, path, or mode. Restart of servers, database creation, and more. Thank you for watching. We hope you've got all the information you were looking for. Please check out our YouTube channel or website aimbetter.com for more information.